Hello student, welcome to class. Student, today we are going to discuss about of chapter 9. Today we solve exercise of chapter 9. Chapter name is Air and Water. Firstly, we will be know which knowledge we can get from this lesson. Okay? By this lesson, we will be able to know the importance of air and suggest way in which we can keep the air clean. How can we keep the air clean? This lesson is suggest some way. Okay? And also we know from this lesson the importance and uses of water. The importance of water and uses of water. And we also know the sources of water and clean water and different way in which we can save water. Firstly, we know about of water and importance of water and some ways that we can help keep the air clean and importance of water and uses of water, clean water and save water. By this chapter, we get some knowledge. So, in this video, we solve exercise of this lesson. Firstly, we know some word meaning of this chapter. First, disease. Disease means different kinds of sickness. When we breathe in dirty air, we get disease like asthma. When we drink dirty air, we get disease like haja, peaches, atisar. Okay? So, disease means different kinds of sickness. Okay? Second, rivers. A large body of water flowing toward the river. Large body of water flowing toward the sea. Okay? A river. A large body of water flowing toward the sea. Third, ponds. A small natural pool of water. Small, but it is natural pool of water. Not like as a swimming pool. This is natural water sources. A small natural pool of water. Next, lake. A very large pool of water. Lake is also natural pool of water, but it is bigger than pond. A very large pool of water is called lakes. Lake is bigger than pond, but smaller than river. Okay? This is natural pool of water. Next, seas. A very large body of salt water. A large sea is called an ocean. See, very large body of salt water. Sea water is very salty, so we cannot drink it. A large sea is called an ocean. Ocean's water is also salty. But this its area is very big. Sea. A large sea is called oceans. Ocean is very big places. Many water found in oceans, but we cannot use ocean's water because it is very salty. Next, crop. Next, crops. Plants grows in farm. Plants grow in farm like as a rice, pulses, wheat, maize. There are many different crops. We grow crops in our field. Crops means plants grow in farm like as a rice, wheat, pulses, maize. So, there are given some word meaning of this chapter we have learned also. Student, firstly, you learn it all word meaning, then you write this word meaning out in your CW and fair copy. Okay? Now we come on the exercise first. Exercise first. Mark the following sentence as true or false. First question type is true or false. Mark the following sentence as true or false. First, question number first. We can hold air in our hands. This is true or false? First, we can hold air in our hands. No, this is false because we cannot catch air and we cannot see air. We can only feel air. We cannot see air. We can feel it. So, first question is wrong. First question is wrong. It is true. It is false. Sorry, it is false. First is false. Second, air which blows is called current. Student, what is current? Current is reverse current. Reverse current. So, this sentence is false because air which blows is called wind, not current. Currents, river currents. Okay. Second option is also false. Come on the question number 3. We can receive water. We can see, we can drink sea water. No, because sea water is very salty. We cannot use for drinking and growing plants. So, third is also false. Look at the question 4. We need water only for drinking? No. 4 is false. Because we use water for many things. We use water for many things every day, like as a drinking, washing, cleaning, watering, and all water animals need water to live. So, question 4 is false. Okay, student? Question 5. It is important to drink only clean water. It is important to drink only clean water. Yes. 5th question is true. 5th question is true because student, we should always drink clean water because dirty water can cause disease. So, clean water keep us safe. Look at the question number 2. Question type is choose the correct answer. First, air is, there are given 3 options. First, found everywhere, found only in some places, made dirty by trees. Which option is right? A, B or C? Which option is right? Option first is right because air is found everywhere. Air is found everywhere. So first option is right. Okay. Second, water is needed by only human being, only plants, all living things. Which option is right? Only human being, only plant, all living thing. Student, third option is right. All living things need water to live. So option 3 is right. Not only human. Living things means plants, animals, birds, insects, water animals. These are living things. So not only human. Not only plant. Option 3 is right. All living things needed water to live. Okay? Come on the question 3. The main sources of water are rain and snow, the sea and oceans, lakes and ponds. The main sources of water are rain and snow, the sea and oceans, lake and pond. Which option is right? First option is right because rain and snow are the most important sources of water. Rainwater gets collected in rivers, ponds and lakes. So first option is right. Rain and snow, the main sources of water. Rain and snow water is fresh water. We can use for drinking and growing crops. So, rain and snow water is main sources of water. Okay, first option is right. First option is right. Question number 4. We can drink sea water because it is dirty, salty, too sweet. Which option is right? Sea water. Sea water is salty, so we cannot drink it. sea water is very salty and we cannot drink sea water. Okay. Question 5. The following can make water safe for drinking: boiling, saving, collecting rainwater. Which option is right? First option is right. Boiling water. Boiling water can make water safe for drinking. When we boil the water, all germs die. We can get fresh water from boiling water. Okay. So, boiling water can make water safe for drinking. First option is right. Okay. Student, in this chapter, we have learned about air and water. And today we solve all exercises of this chapter. Firstly, you write all exercises in your CW and fair copy. Then you learn also it. Okay. First, you write word meaning. Second, exercise 1 and third, exercise 2. You write in your copy one by one in sequence. All exercise write in sequence. Okay? Thanks.